right, guys, we are here today with world-class professional athlete, Ricky Glasser. Woohoo! And these guys keep saying, Aaron, do tricks that scare you. Aaron, skate the mini ramp. Aaron, do this, do that. And I'm like, I thought I owned Braille Skateboarding and called the shots, but nope, I don't. It's Gabe. Okay, so we're gonna learn some tricks on the mini ramp. They keep telling me tricks to do and I keep saying no. So we're gonna get warmed up, we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
Oh! Shredded cards. Ah!
Did you see the clip of Jason Park doing the blunt kickflip with the car board? Is that not the craziest thing you've ever seen?
Crazy.
Wow. Wow.
I ain't no poser. It's not gonna be a mini ramp video if I don't do at least one kickflip nosebleed. Go, Ricky! See? They keep trying to get me to do like blunt to fakie. Cannot do it. Maybe I will though, because I'm scared of nothing. And then I'll show Gabe Cruz the new trick, the new. Let me run that. Why can't you put your foot over the nose? Wow. Ew. Ew. We should do a mini ramp game of skate. Game of mini. Dang it. I didn't think I was gonna land and then I did. I should have just landed. You! You! I feel like that's easier, no? Double flip deca. You! I think that's good on the warm-up. Oh no, wait, one more, the signature trick. Ooh, that's tough. Okay, okay. First try, Ricky, ice?
Yeah, right here.
Chad Muska, let's go. Right here, for you, Braille Army. I don't like it.
Crazy, you did that with ease.
Come on, pro. Should we do blunt? Just blunt. Blunt fakie? Blunt kickflip. You know one of those tricks you do and you tell yourself, I'll never do that again. In fact, I blanked it out of my memory banks. Go ahead, do a blunt. I'll do it. First try. I need to know how it works. That's the problem. It's because the coping sticks out less on the edge. I don't know how people sit in it. This is the only trick I want to do from now on. Bad boy. No, Ricky, no! Teach me. Teach me, Dad. But I don't remember what I did even.
Blunt to deckers first.
That's a great idea.
This is the thing is, blunt decker, it's like a little controversial if it is good to do it before. It can be good to get used to the blunt, but maybe it's like bad practice for committing back in, because it's good to really just like be like, I'm going in, rather than like kind of half going in, you know?
Thanks a lot. You know, some people will literally go like, blunt, blunt, blunt. Take your time, take your time. Just, I need to get over my fear. Something's wrong with the world today, and I don't know what it is. I just want to listen to emo music and cry alone. Like, why, Aaron? Why? You've never done a rock before? Rock and roll, maybe? There we go, mate. This one's for Bunnings. Best low prices every day. $300 more and I can feel better about my life. Couple more and I got it. I'm starting to feel more comfortable getting into the blunt. I think like what I was having a hard time with is the in, you know what I mean? You get that dialed and it's a little better. I was thinking to myself, 3 in a row, you got it. And then on the third one, bodied. As a manual skater, this should be the easiest thing for me because I could literally just go like this.
Like what I said in the other ones, there's kind of 2 ways to do it. You either do a really big pop to make sure that you clear it, or you can do it like what you said, a little fakie manual in. And the fakie manual one, it's kind of like the fallback, you know, because you do the fakie manual, you'll never bail, you'll never hit the coping, you can just always land it. Whereas a big pop, maybe sometimes your feet will go a bit weird or something.
You heard it from the champ himself. I had a dream that I went on Mike Tyson's podcast. Maybe I get this in enough time and the dream will come true. I did not need to bail that for my boy T. Ricky, we gotta start working on a rap album. It's going heavy. Started thinking about rap music, got me all jumbled. You ever seen that movie Frozen?
I have not.
It's really embarrassing to know you. Well, there's a song in there and it goes a little bit like this. Let it be, let it be. That's what you do on this.
All right.
I just have to feel, really what I'm doing is doing it until I feel like comfortable. Like the first one, I didn't pop out so good, so I did it again. And then I was like, if I just did that and committed, I would land. And then I did pop in and then didn't commit, so I didn't land. Yeah, because we can't end it on this. This is not progression. I did this 13 years ago with Kelly Wakasa. Give me that garbage! Whoa! No! I hate you! I hate everybody! Ah! No! It's actually embarrassing, some of these tricks. I should be able to do this so easy. Right here, Jason Park. I love you, Dad. It's just the difference of, on one, I'm putting my front leg down, and I just need to not do that. I think Ricky's right about like, it's controversial because I'm so used to now going to rock that I can't not. I just gotta make myself do it. The handrail, you're jumping on whatever happens. The thing about that is you got no choice. This, like, you had too many choices. Give me a blunt fakie. I can't, Ricky! It's so mental. It's so mental. People are gonna get so sick of watching me freak out. I'm sorry. I just gotta freak out. Let's go. Yeah. Unconsciously pull my foot off. Yeah. I'd rather skate the 3 block. You ever seen White Men Can't Jump? Oh! Played him! Oh! I was just waiting for the jump, but the whole time I played him. We got every try now, let's go. We getting Jamba Juice, baby! Yeah, I almost landed the first one. Here, you go. Show me how it's done. Don't do that to yourself, Aaron. Jacob Kyro. Yeah. You know what they say? Dude, make it true. We're learning out here, we're stressing. I'm sorry about all the screaming, but sometimes when you're like really scared, you're confronting something that's a little bit scary, you just give it a quick shout, it makes it feel a little better, right?
Yeah, 100%.
It's time to eat, we're gonna make some more videos. I hope that you guys learned something from this. I'm really challenging myself to do scarier tricks and to push myself to learn all the tricks in the Braille Skateboarding app. Definitely check it out. You can get your rank. It's totally free. You can download the app, make an account, and then every trick you learn is a point system and you can move up in the ranks. It's super, super fun. So that's what I'm doing here. And I would love your guys' feedback. Leave it in the comments below and let me know what tricks you want to see. And please don't just go ham of Aaron Kyro off the Braille drop. And now I know everyone will be Aaron Kyro off the Braille drop. I love you guys, each and every one of you. You're my absolute favorite. Thank you. I'm super stoked for 2021. It's gonna be an incredible year of you, yes, you, progressing. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, get yourself a board, get on there, start learning, and have a blast. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.